look at the exercises for the poem Rajana Suprapata from Savikannada grade 3. So here, ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. ವಾಕ್ಯ is sentence, ಉತ್ತರಿಸು is answer. Answer in one sentence. That is the meaning of this instruction. ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ಕೂಗುವುದು ಏನು? So the first question. ಮುಂಜಾನೆ means morning. Kugu is shout. Enu is what? So, Enu is your question word here. This is the question word. So, usually when you write answer, then you have to just replace your question word with your answer. So, Munjane kuguvudu enu. What shouts in the morning? The answer is rooster or hen. Right? So, Munjane ಕೂಗುವುದು ಮುಂಗೋಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಕೆನ್ನಬೇಕು? ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್. ಸಾಕೆನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಸಾಕು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನಫ್. ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಯು ಸೇ ಇನಫ್? ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ರಾಜ ಸೇ ಇನಫ್? So he has to say enough for his good sleep. Right? So, sukha niddege. ಸಾಕೆನ್ನಬೇಕು. Okay? ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ is for what? That word, that is a question word that you have to replace with your answer, which is sukha niddege ಸಾಕೆನ್ನಬೇಕು. ರಾಜ ಪಾಠ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ತೆಗೆದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಏನು is the question word here. That means what? So ಪಾಠ ಪುಸ್ತಕ means lessons, textbook. Okay, so Raja should take his books and what should he do? Okay, ಏನು is what, ಮಾಡಬೇಕು is should do. What should Raja do taking his books? So ಏನು is a question word again there. So Raja ಪಾಠ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ತೆಗೆದು, he has to take his books and he has to practice, start studying and practicing. So Raja ಪಾಠ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ತೆಗೆದು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಿಂದು ಏನನ್ನು ತೊಟ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಮಿಂದು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಾತ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಬಾತ್. ಏನನ್ನು ಅಗೇನ್ ಏನು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್. Tottu is wear. What should he wear and come? After a good bath, what should Raja wear and come? That is the meaning of this question. So, chennagi mindu, he should wear his school uniform, right? That is called as samavastra. So, chennagi mindu, samavastravannu ತೊಟ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ರಾಜ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು? ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ is footsteps. So in what direction should he put his footsteps? Raja, in what direction should he keep his footsteps? So he has to keep his footsteps towards school. So you have to say Raja. Again the question word is yava. Yava is where, what. Okay, which, sorry, not what, which direction. Okay, Raja in which direction should he put his footsteps? So Raja shale kadege. Shale means school. He has to keep his footsteps towards school. Shale kadege ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಯಾವ ವಾರ ರಜಾ ಇದೆ? Raja means holiday. Which day is a holiday for school? It is Sunday. So ಶಾಲೆಗೆ, again yava means which. That is a question word. So ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ravivara. Ravivara is Sunday. ರವಿವಾರ ರಜಾ ಇದೆ. Okay, now you have to fill in the blanks. So here it is all the lines from the poem only. So ಮುಂಗೋಳಿ ಕೂಗುವುದು dash ಮೂಡುವುದು ಮುಂಜಾನೆ. It's there in the poem. Okay, if you refer to your poem, it will be here. ಮುಂಗೋಳಿ ಕೂಗುವುದು. Okay, it is ಮುಂಬೆಳಕು. Okay, I made a mistake there. It is ಮುಂಬೆಳಕು ಮೂಡುವುದು. Okay, I will change it here. Okay, then ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳ dash ರಾಜ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ. We'll search for this line in the poem. So here it is. ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳ ತೆರೆದುಕೋ ರಾಜ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ. So in the blank you have to fill ತೆರೆದುಕೋ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಿಂದು ಬಾ dash ತೊಟ್ಟು ಬಾ. Let's search for this line in the poem. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಿಂದು ಬಾ ಸಮವಸ್ತ್ರ ತೊಟ್ಟು ಬಾ. So you have to write samavastra in the blank. dash ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಇಡು ರಾಜ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ. So it is ಶಾಲೆ ಕಡೆ. Okay, ಶಾಲೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ರಾಜ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ. So in the blank you have to fill ಶಾಲೆ ಕಡೆ. Then ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು dash ಕಣ. Where is that? ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ರವಿವಾರ ಕಣ. So you have to fill in the blank as ರವಿವಾರ. Okay, this is fill in the blanks. Next exercise. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಡಿರುವ ಶಬ್ದಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾದರಿಯಂತೆ ಬರೆ. Like how given example. ಮಾದರಿ means example. Like the given example you have to do for the given words. This is basically doing plurals. Okay, kannu is one eye. Kannugalu means eyes. Same way pustaka means book. So the plural will be pustakagalu. You have to add galu. Okay, you have to add galu to all the words here. Then they will all become plural. So it will become pustakagalu. Shale means school. Shalegalu. Schools. This is plural. This is single. This is plural. Shoe. Okay, shoe as in your footwear. So it will be shoegalu. Cheela means bag. Okay, school bag. Cheela. Cheelagalu. Okay, so when galu is added, then it becomes plural. Usually we will add the suffix galu for most of the non-living things. Okay, most of the non-living things we will add galu to make it plural. And galu is not the only suffix you will add to make it plural. Okay, there are other suffixes also which will be added, but for now only galu is added for all of these. These are all non-living things. So for all of these galu is added to make it plural. Now next, ಈ ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ ಲಿಂಗ ಸೂಚಕ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಸ್ಥಳವನ್ನು ತುಂಬು. So here the example, if you see, ರಾಜ ಕೈಕಾಲು ತೊಳೆಯುವನು. So this is Raja. Raja is a name of a boy. Okay, here basically this exercise is we have to change the gender. Okay, so Raja kaikalu tolayuvanu. Raja is king. Okay, Raja is the name of a person as well as it is also a king. So the king washed his hands and legs. That is the meaning of this sentence. So what will you do when you have to change it to another gender? You will say queen. Instead of king, you will say queen because queen is the opposite gender for king. So you will say instead of Raja, here Rani has come. Okay, instead of Raja, Rani has come because this is opposite gender. Rani kai kalu tolayuvalu. Rani is queen is washing her hands. Okay, since Raja is male gender, tolayuvanu is coming there. Okay, vanu is coming. Now Rani is a female gender, so tolayuvalu is coming here. Okay, you need to observe all this when you are changing gender. Now, Balaka Kannu Tereyuvanu. Balaka means a boy. Okay? Kannu is eyes. Tereyuvanu means open. Boy opens his eyes. Okay? Tereyuvanu. See again Vanu is come because Balaka is a male gender. Now we have to convert this sentence into a female gender. So what is the opposite gender of Balaka? It will be Balaki. Kannugalannu tereyuvalu. Okay, see the difference here. Vanu is for a male gender, Valu is for a female gender. Gelaya samavastra toduvanu. Gelaya means friend. Samavastra is uniform. Toduvanu means wear. Friend wears a uniform. So, the opposite gender of Gelaya will be Gelati. Samavastra toduvalu. Okay. Then, avanu chila etti kondanu. Avanu means he. Chila is bag. Etti kondanu is lifted or carried. He carried his bag. Okay. Avanu means he. So, you have to say she now. If you have to make it the opposite gender. She will be avalu. Avalu chila etti kondalu. See, this is ending with lu. Male gender will end with nu. Female gender will end with lu. Anna shalege hodanu. Anna means elder brother. Okay. Shalege, school, to school. Hodanu went. Elder brother went to school. So the opposite of elder brother will be elder sister, which is akka. Akka shalege hodalu. Again, hodanu because it is Anna is a male gender. Hodalu because akka is a female gender. Okay. Now next. Now you have to match the following. Okay. So, Mungoli Kuguvudu. Right? Mungoli is the rooster or the hen that shouts. So, Mungoli Kuguvudu. Swapnakke. Swapna is dreams. What should you do to the dreams? You should say bye-bye to the dreams. Right? Swapnakke bayennu. Bayennu. Samavastra tottuba. Samavastra is uniform. Wear your uniform and come. Shale kadege hejje idu. Means keep your footsteps towards school. Ivattu Ravivara. Today is Sunday. That's what Raja says, right? Without getting up, he says today is Sunday, so it's a holiday. So that is the match here. Ivattu Ravivara. So, Mungoli and Kuguvudu. Swapnakke bayennu. Next one is Samavastra tottuba. Shale kade ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಇಡು. ಇವತ್ತು ರವಿವಾರ. Okay, so these are all the exercises.